Hocell drone-mounted IMSI Catcher is a cellular signal intelligence solution based on drone, being able to search and track cell phones as well as locate the targets by identifying their IMSI number. The system is mainly used in two scenarios: search and rescue and law enforcement surveillance. Scenario 1. Search and rescue. Hocell drone-mounted IMSI Catcher can search and locate missing persons efficiently in a big area, whether they are buried underground, trapped in a building, lost in a forest, or disappeared in a mountain. Not only visible but also invisible targets could be detected. The system can easily reach a height and depth that's difficult or even impossible for human beings to approach. It saves time of searching with mobility and speed, and thus saves lives. The searching result shows the presence, number, and location of the targets, which could support the subsequent decision and action on disaster evacuation, post-disaster assessment, emergency rescue, etc. The system is applicable to government agencies of emergency management such as earthquake and fire departments, Office of Civil Defense, Police, Search and Rescue Association, or other SAR units. Scenario 2. Law enforcement surveillance. Hocell drone-mounted IMSI Catcher is a special surveillance equipment that can help law enforcement officers track cell phones and locate suspects. Searching from the air with the capability to adjust height and fly 360 degrees above a building. The system can ensure very high success rate by minimizing RF propagation loss in the air and penetration loss through obstacles. With great mobility, it could efficiently search targets from blacklist in a large area. Officers can pinpoint a suspect's location even if the person is not on the phone. Once the target is detected, an alarm will be triggered in the system. The system is applicable to law enforcement agencies and security departments such as police and border patrol. Functions and performance. The system has been developed based on DJI Matrix 300 RTK. Its accessories include remote controller and battery set. A Samyu's H20 camera is optional and recommended to have better view of the environment. The key component is the IMSI Catcher module, designed as a payload of the drone. The software or app is installed on the remote controller or an Android tablet to have a bigger screen display. Flight control, map, image and video, and searching results are displayed in one screen. The module integrates two base stations, both of which could be software-defined to any 2G, 3G, or 4G PLMN networks of any frequency band between 700 MHz and 2.7 GHz. The system could detect mobile phones at a height of up to 200 meters and underground depth of up to 6 meters. The position accuracy reaches 10 meters when operating independently, and less than 1 meter when working in coordination with a portable IMSI Catcher. Data of 400 terminals could be collected per minute. With the payloads, the drone's battery life of a single battery set is over 30 minutes. Installation and operation. Mount the IMSI Catcher module and camera to the drone. Power on the drone, remote controller, and connect the tablets. Now we can start the mission. Log into the app, create a task, import blacklist numbers, and then select service providers and network frequencies. After switching on the base station cells, control the drone to fly and search in the target area. Waypoint could be set on map to let the drone fly and search automatically. The IMSI numbers detected will be shown and constantly updated on the screen. Once the target IMSI is identified, it will be marked in red and the operator can choose to trace it. The increasing signal strength of traced IMSI indicates getting closer to the target. Heat map and camera image will help locate the target with high accuracy.